Okay guys, welcome back to Str8yaad TV. Today we have for you, we're gonna make some ackee and saltfish guys, Jamaican national dish. It's a very easy recipe and it's a very easy dish guys. So I'm gonna teach you how to cook Jamaica ackee and saltfish, the national dish. Okay guys? So over here we have some green banana, some sweet potato, we have two plantain, we have one red, one green. We have the ingredients that we're gonna use to do the ackee guys. We have scallion, onion, thyme, garlic, tomato. Over here so, we have the flour with cornmeal because we're gonna make some boiled dumpling. Green banana with the food provision. And we have the ackee over here guys. So the canned ackee we are gonna work with guys because you know we don't live in Jamaica, so we don't get canned ackee. We don't get the real ackee all the time. So this is one of the best eating ackee that we're eating up here in the can. So I'm gonna show you how to prepare it from start to finish guys. It's easy and it's a nice recipe. So stay tuned. And remember guys to love each other, share what you got, and keep on moving. One love. Str8yaad TV, up and running. So guys, we have the saltfish here. I'm just washing it off. Wash off some of the salt off the saltfish before I put it in the pot. You know, it's well salt. It's a salted fish, guys. So you have to soak out a little of the salt out of it before you use it. Generally, you don't have to. Some people just put it on the pot, but I don't like when my food tastes too salt, guys. So I will soak out a little bit before I put it in the pot because it stick and stay and watch the process, guys. I'm gonna put it on top of the food pot. I'm not gonna cook it separate. That's the reason why I'm taking out a little salt. And when you're doing this, you don't need to put salt in the pot because this have a lot of salt already, guys. So watch the process, guys. Now I go take this out, make this go and sit down over here for a second. Get some food ready, guys. Put it on the pot. That's what we are gonna do right away. Like me tell you guys, this is a quick and fast, easy recipe. Right away we are going with the plantain guys, some green plantain. Peel off a plantain guys and take off any little thing leave on him. Clean him up nicely. Okay. Wash him off. Some people cook it like this guys, but I'm gonna split it in two. Just like that. So over here we have a pot on fire already guys. I forget to show you the pot. The pot already here warming up. Waiting for it to boil guys. So when it boils, I'm going to go ahead and put in those plantain. Get the banana and peel up guys, get them mark up. I'm going to get the flour ready too. So as soon as the pot started to boil, you just go ahead and add the ingredients guys. Add the food and everything that we're cooking. So this is our next YouTube banger guys. Straight ackee and saltfish, Jamaica national dish. This cooking video is long due guys to show you the national dish, so I'm gonna show you it today. Started from scratch to finish. Even though we don't have the original ackee that's not in the can guys, but we gotta make it work. Alright, so then my prep already. So this is going on the pot guys. Waiting for the pot to boil up. I'm gonna knead the flour in the meantime. I'm gonna get the flour up and running guys. So when the pot start boil, go ahead and get in the ingredients guys. Right now guys, I'm gonna get some flour in the pan. Not making a lot of dumpling today guys. I'm more gonna eat some bananas. Food. You know when we make dumpling at Jamaican guys, we don't make straight white dumpling. We have to add a little cornmeal in it. Even though sometimes straight white dumpling is nice. Especially with the tin mackerel guys. Alright, so we'll go ahead. Get in a little salt guys. This is a pink salt guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and put in a little bit in my pot. No, not dumpling, a matter of fact. I don't want a lot guys. I don't like salt food. Now we need some water. Cold water guys, some cold water. And I'm gonna show you it's very easy to make dumpling guys. Very easy. So all I do is just, once you put in the salt and the cornmeal and everything, just mix it over. You don't have to because it will combine when you need it anyway. And just add the water. And you mix. So you add the water little by little guys because you don't want your flour to spoil. And if you don't have no more to back it up, you will be in a bad position. So you add as you go. You mix, you add. You will know when it needs more guys. Because I'm gonna show you when I finally mix it down and show you how it's supposed to be. So guys, use a discretion with the flour. When you know you're making the flour, you add the water as it needed. Just don't go ahead and pour a lot of water in it guys. It's not gonna be good. It's gonna spoil. And then you have to add more flour to it. Or stuff like that. See? Okay guys, so this is how the flour is supposed to look guys when you finish knead it. Everything is combined in one piece. See guys, this is it. This is how we need flour back home. Everywhere you go, this is how you need flour. You can use a mixer if you want, or you can use a spoon if you want, but it's not gonna come out nice when you use a spoon. You still have to use a hand to tighten it up guys, tighten it up a little bit. Some people like slack flour. I don't like slack flour. I like my flour a little bit tight, nice, not soft, slack and soft like a porridge. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead right now. The pot is boiling now guys, so I'm gonna go ahead right away and put in the dumpling guys. Cause you know the rest of the food is very easy to cook. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go in right away with the dumplings. Okay guys, so Okay guys, but now we're making dumpling. Basically everybody make dumpling different guys. I'm showing you the way I make my dumpling. Or you could do the roll and press if you want. Like roll it like this. And just do like this guys. Understand? I don't like the roll and press too much. I'll show you my style. Because my style move fast. I move fast in my hand. It's like I'm making it in my hand. See that? And then we go like that. Very easy guys. Very easy. Nice dumpling. Okay guys, so everybody have a different finger trick with making dumpling. But this is my way of making my dumpling guys. Quick and fast. Other people take a lot of time to make dumpling. I don't take long to make dumpling. It's very easy to make, it's not hard. I just combining the dumpling into a nice round ball. Okay guys, just like that. And then you make a dumpling. Like I told you guys, you don't have to do that, you can do this. Just keep doing this. This take long though. And if the flour is not soft enough, it's not gonna combine the right way. And I told you I don't like soft dumplings, so dumpling have to have the right texture in it. Just like that. So easy. You make a nice dumpling guys. Nice dumpling. Very easy. So I'm teaching you guys how to make dumpling from start to finish. And how to cook the ackee and the saltfish. The Jamaican national dish. Okay guys? Quick and fast. Yeah, some people make dumpling like this, so they squeeze it over, squeeze it. I don't, that take too long for me. I just like this one. This one is very quick and fast. It's even faster than the roll and press to me. See? Quick and fast. I'm not into the big heavy dumpling guys. I don't like when my dumplings are so big. Like you're in the bush cooking. Show you again the next style guys. This is the next style. It's easy. But it's take long. Because you gotta combine the ball like that, and then you're gonna either touch it like this or you're gonna use the hand to make the dumpling guys. Okay? So this is a small little baby one, so I'm not gonna make it as a big dumpling guys. It's a small one. Small little one, so let's get this little baby in the pot. And then we move on to something else guys. Guys, always remember, when you put your dumpling in the pot, you have to stir your pot. You have to stir the pot. If you don't stir the pot, the dumpling is gonna stick and it's gonna burn. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add the plantain too guys. Remember I told you I had some green plantain here. Add a ripe one too. I like to eat ripe boiled pan. So right away now guys, I'm gonna go in with the sweet potato. I'm gonna peel them up, get them ready, put in the pot. Put in the dumpling. And then cooking is fun guys, especially when you know how you're cooking or you're enjoying cooking in. But a lot of people really don't like cooking in guys, so I like cooking. You know I have to eat. So this is a piece of sweet potato. Put it in the pot same time right away. I'm gonna peel the next one. Put them in the pot right away. Guys, this sweet potato is nice, healthy. So when you guys wanted some ackee and saltfish and you're living in America, Canada, England, just go to the store, grab your can. And do it the same way like I'm doing, guys. It will come out perfect, taste nice same way. You know the original straight ackee from the pad is the best, but when you live in not in Jamaica or any Caribbean country that you can get them off the pad, you gotta work with the can, guys. Gotta work with the can, work with what you got. Okay, guys. This is sweet potato. You have the white one and you have the yellow one. Going in the pot right away, guys. Right away. Right away we're going in the pot with the potatoes, guys. You know these food don't take long to cook, you know, guys. It's soft. So I'm coming up now, guys, with the boiled banana time. So we're going to peel banana now, guys. Get in the pot. Banana well full. So I like Jamaica banana because they're not so full like these bananas in the store over here. These bananas over here, you gotta buy them and use them the same day, guys. If you put them down 2 days, they're gonna ripe on you. Trust me. Because they pick these bananas over full. See how they're big and thick, over full. They're in the ripening stage. But they still sell it to you as boiling banana, guys. What are you gonna do? To work with what you got, man. And sometimes you find some nice ones, you know, don't get it wrong. Sometimes you find some nice ones. It's because you gotta go back through and take off everything, guys. No leave no skins on the banana, guys. Make sure the banana well clean. So okay, guys, I show you how to mark the banana and I'm showing you how to peel the banana, okay? It's very easy, it's not hard. Step by step, I always teach you guys step by step. Very easy, so you can go in the kitchen, and even if you don't know how to do it, just watch the TV channel. Just watch Str8yaad TV, guys, and it will show you how to do it step by step. Very easy. And guys, it's not your nail you use to peel the banana. It's right here, the side of here, the side of right here. You use it and just brace the skin, just like that. You don't use the nails, guys. You use the side of the edge of your finger like that, and you pry the skin off. See this one will come out nice, guys? It's not hard. And banana is a thing, guys, when you're cooking banana, you cannot keep the banana out of the water, guys. It's gonna get black on you. Generally, when I'm cooking banana, I always put a piece of skin in the pot, guys, or I drop a little bit of oil. So it keeps the banana from not going black. Okay, guys, so banana in a pot, you know, in a pot. Drop a little bit of skin. I just put up a little bit of cooking oil, guys, if you want it. Alright, so now finish with banana. Gonna go ahead and put in 2 little pieces of plantain, guys, just 2 pieces. Oh, motherfucker, just cook all of it and done because not gonna leave that little piece, guys. It's gonna waste. So basically, just wash the plantain real good. Mark them just the same way if you do it, and boil them, guys. They don't take long to cook, you know. Very easy to cook because they can't eat right now because they're already ripe. It's already ripe, so it's hard to eat, guys. So stay tuned and watch the process. Str8yaad TV. Drop them plantain up on the top, guys. See there? Pot full. One pot of food and ackee and saltfish today, guys. Pot a go nice. Stay tuned, guys. Watch the process. Alright, guys. So, right now, I'm gonna go ahead and put in the saltfish, guys. So, rinse them off. Get out some of the salt. Now we go. Now we add them to the pot, guys. See? The pot is boiling like crazy. So now what I do? Rest the saltfish on top, guys. Just rest him on top like that. See? That's what I'm talking about. Just rest him on top, guys. Okay? I'm gonna cover up pot, make pot go and cook. So stay tuned, guys. Watch the process. Str8yaad TV up and running. Today, it's a national dish we're gonna eat today, guys. National dish. Ackee and saltfish and some food. We call it ground provision. Yam, banana. We're not cooking no yam today, guys. But just telling you what's ground provision. So we're just cooking some plantain, green plantain, ripe plantain, sweet potato, green banana, and some dumpling. Some ackee and saltfish, guys. So stay tuned. This is gonna be nice and epic. And remember, guys, like and share the video. Share the video across the globe, guys, so other people can see. So respect all of my subscribers, respect. All of my new subscribers, respect. One love, Str8yaad. Up and running, guys. Alright, guys, so you know, no delay. I'm telling you, it's a quick, a fast, a easy recipe. So I'm gonna go ahead right away and prep the ingredients for the ackee and the saltfish, guys. So stick and stay, watch the process, watch how I go on step by step. You have to learn how to cook this ackee and saltfish, guys. Trust me. It's not hard. It's very easy and it's a nice dish, guys. Ackee and saltfish eat with anything, guys. Anything. Rice and peas, white rice. Any meal you can think of, guys. Ackee and saltfish can eat with that. Okay? Boiled food, fried food, anything. Ackee and saltfish is there with you, guys. This is a nice fruit. And guys, one of the day I'm gonna get some real ackee for you guys and pick it and show you how to pick the ackee and clean the ackee and cook the ackee. Okay, guys? It's just because we don't have no know, so we're working with the can, guys. Because a lot of people really don't know how to pick ackee and clean ackee the right way. Okay, guys? But if you don't know how to pick ackee, stick with the can, guys. Because the can is already pre-cooked, clean and everything for you already. Okay? So all I'm doing, guys, I'm prepping some season that I wanted to put in the ackee and the saltfish. Okay, guys? So getting my ingredients ready, guys. Clean and cut at the same time. Yeah, I know Str8yaad move fast, you know, guys. We're not really too like cutting board. We work with the hand. And if you can't manage your hand, guys, always remember to use the cutting board. I recommended you use the cutting board, guys. If you don't know to use it, don't want you cut the finger off. Okay, guys, stay tuned. Right. So we have a little piece of blue onion, piece of white onion, guys. Time, guys. I'm Miss Kellyanne. A lot of people call it green onions, but we call it Kellyanne, guys. And in other places, people call it different name too, guys. So So just remember, different name, different culture, different everything. Like the scallion, guys. I like a lot of scallion. Scallion is nice. Guys, when I'm making tomato, I don't like using seed, guys. I like to get out the seed part out of the tomato. I like to take them out as much as I can. Well, I can't take out that seed, but you know how it go. Okay guys, there you have it. This is the seasoning and the ingredients I'm gonna use for the ackee and the saltfish, guys. Okay, nothing less, nothing more. Okay guys, so stick and stay, watch the process, and you will see what's going on, how I'm gonna use the ingredients with the saltfish, guys. So stay tuned. Str8yaad TV, up and running. Okay guys, see? Pot almost done cooking now, guys. Right away, pot almost done cook, so give him like another 5 minutes, guys. And then we're gonna finish cook that pot and move on to the ackee and the saltfish, guys. So stay tuned. Str8yaad TV, up and running all around the town. One love, one strength, one energy, guys. Stay strong. Bless. Str8yaad out. Okay guys, so now the food pot is cooked. Saltfish is cooked. See? What I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna take out the saltfish. I'm gonna clean up the saltfish. Yeah, nothing is sticking. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Nothing is sticking. That's what I'm talking about. Okay? When you're cooking, don't let your food stick in the pot. It's gonna burn. Okay, nothing is sticking in this pot, guys. Everything is moving good. So what I'm gonna do, put this on low to keep it warm. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up, guys. So add some cold water, guys. Cold water. Right. Once you take it out of the pot, you put some cold water. Let the cold water kind of release. Take off this scales, guys, or the skin if you want to call it so, but it's scale. So once you put cold water on it, then you go ahead and you clean up the fish, guys. So how you clean the fish, you take a fork or a spoon or a knife and you take off these parts, guys. And remember, this is a saltfish. Some people call it codfish. Spanish say it's bacchanal. So take out those parts. Everybody clean theirs differently, guys. Some people don't waste the bone. I don't eat the bones, guys. Because some people keep the main bone. I don't know for what. But all I need to do is just clean the fish up, guys. So watch Str8yaad TV. We teach you how to cook ackee and saltfish, the Jamaican national dish, guys. And if you don't remember how to cook it, guys, go on the channel, watch this channel, stop it, do it. Stop it, watch it, do it. It's easy, guys, it's not hard. And you will get it, guys. You don't have to go to the supermarket to ask questions about how to cook it, or go to the restaurant just to buy it because you don't know how to cook it, guys. I'm teaching you, guys. You love something, you learn how to cook it. Like these pieces, take them off. These, take them out. Don't need them. But there is a little piece of flesh in here. Pick him out. This is just basically nothing. This is a bone. Don't need it. Take it out. Go ahead and you clean him up, guys. Clean him up properly. Some people scrape it off before they even cook it, you know. But that take too long, it's too much hassling. It's easier when you cook, easier to clean. Okay, guys, once we do that, now we're gonna take out the bones, guys. So I'm gonna get the water off because I have to take out some of the salt out of the fish, guys. Can't eat like this, it's very salt. So now you go ahead and you separate the flesh. Separate this part, guys, from the bone. I don't really want the bone, guys. You don't need the bones. See, all these bones, they're a problem, guys, if you're eating and you don't know how to eat with bone. So you want to take out all these. No bone, guys. You see the amount of stuff I get out of it, guys? Just cleaning up the saltfish. So sometimes you're cooking saltfish and you think there's a big piece, guys, you're cooking. When you cook it, it shrinks, and by the time you have to take all these stuff out, it's a little piece leave. So if you need a lot of saltfish, cook a lot of saltfish. So the aim is it now, guys, is to go ahead and make sure you take out all the bones. All the bones. You can't cook saltfish with bones, guys. You're gonna joke people in the mouth, send them to the hospital. So take out all the bones. That's the first thing you gotta do. Take out all the bones. Make sure it's boneless. Bone free. Sometimes, you know, a little piece will get away in it, but make sure it's not no big piece like. And when you're cooking saltfish, for people who never eat it before, you gotta make sure there is no bone because they're gonna bite down on it, guys. For people who used to saltfish, they know to eat it. And still some bone catch them sometime. So I'm telling you, guys, go ahead and take out all the bones. Sieve through it properly. Take out all the bones, guys. All the bones. You don't need bones, guys. And for all of my subscribers, one love. Str8yaad TV. You know how we do it already. We always do it the right and proper way. Showing you guys how to do stuff from scratch. So you can learn to cook on your own. You don't have to buy the food when you can cook it. And if you're new to my channel, guys, welcome. Love you over here. And for all the viewers and subscribers, morning, evening, good night, good afternoon. No matter where you're watching from, guys, you know some part of the world is different time. So just stay tuned and watch the process, guys. Showing you quick and easy tips how to prepare a nice ackee and saltfish. And guys, I don't like when my saltfish are all minced out. You don't find no saltfish to eat. It's just minced. I don't cook saltfish that type of way, guys. And I like to eat a piece of saltfish. Not the big chunks though. See, like this, guys? That is it. Very clean. See? No bones, nothing. And you break them up in small pieces, guys. Not so small, but small enough. Not so big, you know. And then, guys, what you're gonna do is taste it. Taste piece. This is a little bit salt, guys, so you gotta wash it out some more. Wash it out to your taste buds, guys. I don't like a lot of salt. I just like the flavor of the saltfish with the salt. I don't want no salt and corn business. You don't need that. I want to eat something nice and comfortable. Not have to clear your throat and say, oh, it's salt, man, it's salt. You don't cook like that, man. You cook the right way, man. Yeah, this is good now, guys. Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. You gotta know to make the blend, guys, how to blend it in with the ackee. It has to taste perfect. It can't be salty. It can't be fresh neither. It has to have the right flavor. Okay, guys? Alright, my people. So now we're going on the fire, guys. We're going on the fire now. So stay tuned. Watch the process. Watch what's going on, guys. Str8yaad TV. One Str8yaad TV. You know how we do things already, guys. Clean, proper, nice. Tasteable food around here. So now we're going on the fire, guys. I already told you this is cooked, so I'm going to move it off the fire. Put it up there. Jump back on this big fire. Now I'm going to go in, guys. This is already washed. Clean. Waiting for it to dry out so I could add the oil. And I'll show you step by step, guys, how to do the rest of it. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead now. The pot is already hot, it's dried, there's no water in the pot, guys. You gotta make sure there's no water in the pot when you're drying out the pot to put in the ingredients, guys. So right away, I'm gonna go in with some tomato, guys. I like when the tomato gives it the color. So I'll put the tomato first and kind of burn them out a little bit. Okay. Piece of garlic. I have some cut up here, I don't ready for them yet. That time. That one burn up, right? Okay, guys, that's the color I have already. It's getting ready. So this is how I like to do it. Mash up burn my tomatoes, burn them all the way out in the oil. Get some color, guys, in the oil and some flavor. This is how I do it, guys. See the color, guys? Yeah, that's what the tomato do. Now I can go ahead, guys, and add the rest of the ingredients. All my onion and everything I'm gonna add now, guys. All the rest of the ingredients. And you can't forget, guys, good old Scotch bonnet. Okay, people, so that's it. I'm gonna do. Let this stay on the fire, guys, for a little bit. Allow the season to a little bit cook. Because you know a lot of people cook and they don't allow the season to cook, guys. So when you're eating, I don't like to eat half raw season. It gives me a nasty vibe. I don't like it. I like when my seasons are cooked properly, guys. Soft and nice. So what I'm gonna do, let that sit on the fire for a little bit. And bring the color, guys. Cover him up, make him go and steam out a little bit. Bring the flavors in, guys. Bringing in the flavors. So what I'm doing, guys, I'm let the seasoning cook for a little bit, guys. And then I'm gonna add the saltfish. So just stay tuned. Watch the program, guys. Step by step. Real Ackee and Saltfish, guys. Okay, guys, so watch the program, watch the process. Step by step, guys. Alright, guys, you see how the way it look now? Yeah, nice and delicious. And I'm not even finished yet, guys. See, season them already.
Oh, wait.
And them look good. Season them already cooking perfectly. Soft. That's what I'm talking about, guys. I like to steam, guys. Burn up my vegetable and steam out properly, guys. Now I'm gonna add the saltfish, guys. Go ahead and add the saltfish, guys. Right away. No we go. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna add just a little bit of black pepper on it, guys. For now, I'm gonna put some more on the ackee too. But like I'm telling you, guys, when you're cooking ackee and saltfish, you don't need a lot of powder seasoning. I don't know why I see a lot of people put a lot of powder seasoning in ackee and saltfish, guys. You only need black pepper or scotch bonnet pepper, that's it. The black pepper give it a kick. And the scotch bonnet also give it a kick. So anyone you want to use, but you don't need powder seasoning, guys, because you see how much ingredients I have in this pot here? This is the season you need. This is all the season you need, all these earth seasoning. This is a real season, guys. Powder season, not the real season. So guys, I'm gonna let this sit there and cook up a little bit more. Like I just put it in, get the flavor in it. So let him sit there, guys. I'm gonna ready the ackee for you. In the meantime, guys, I'm gonna show you the trick to the ackee now, guys. So guys, I'm gonna teach you the trick with the can ackee now. A lot of people don't do it this way, but I'm teaching the best way. So what I go do, the saltfish is already cooking up. Don't follow me with the hand thing, guys. Use a cutter. You can cutter and open it if you have one. If you can use the knife like me, then go ahead. But I recommend you use a cutter, guys. Alright, guys, so this is the ackee, okay? From the can. So what I generally do, guys, is strain the water off the ackee, okay? And I'm gonna show you a next trick, guys, to make the ackee taste real good. I'm getting off all the water, guys, all the water. Alright, guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and throw it out in the dish, okay? In this little bowl, guys. So, guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and pour some boiling water on the ackee, guys, just to take off all the the sodium and all the preservative they have in the can. So what I do, I put some boiling water on it, and then I'm gonna cover it up for a little bit until I'm ready for it. I'm gonna strain back off that water, guys. Okay? So let it sit there with that hot boiling water. Okay guys, so what I do with the ackee, when I take it out of the can, like I show you, I put it in some hot boiling water. Then I'm gonna go ahead and strain off this water, guys, because I really don't need no water in the ackee, okay? So what I do, I strain the water off clean. You could put in a strainer, guys, but I don't have time to go take out a strainer right now. You know, when I use anything, I know to cook, so I can use basically even a plate over it or a pot cover or any little thing to strain the water off. That's all I need to do. Strain the water off. Okay? And don't let your ackee waste while you're doing it. Like falling out the pan. Okay guys, see? All the water is out. Okay. So this is the ackee now, guys. I'm gonna go in now, guys. I'm gonna add the ackee right to the pot now, guys. See? Adding the ackee right to the pot, guys. Alright. That is it, guys. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some black pepper, guys. Like I'm telling you guys, I don't put a lot of powder seasoning in my ackee. I don't need to, because the ackees already have flavor. The saltfish have flavor. The seasoning in the pot have flavor. The herb seasoning, the scallion, onion, garlic, sweet pepper, thyme, scotch bonnet, all those things already there to make it taste good, guys. So only thing I'm putting in this pot is just black pepper, guys. No powder seasoning at all, none. Now you go ahead and you just mix them up, guys. Mix them up. Mix them up, guys. That's it. Basically, that's all you're doing. These ackee in the can, guys, they're easy to mash. So I don't like when my ackee mashed so much, guys, but you know, gotta work with what you got. If you can ackee, that's it. So guys, basically what I'm doing right now, let this cook for like about 2 minutes, because it's already cooking. The ackee already cooked in the can. Basically I'm just warming up the ackee with the saltfish. So let it sit there for like 2 minutes, guys, and then we're ready to eat. Okay guys, so stay tuned. Remember to like, share, subscribe. Go in the comments, drop your comments, guys. We read the comments and we love you. Str8yaad TV, up and running. One Str8yaad TV. Okay guys, so look at it, guys. Here you got it. I'm turning off the fire, guys. We're ready to eat. Okay guys, we ready to eat. So stay tuned. We're gonna eat some food, guys. Get some food in the belly. Up and running. So stay tuned for that. Okay guys, we're ready to eat. So go ahead and share with some food now, guys. This is the right plating. See guys, very easy to cook. Just peel back the skin, then you're good to go. Two dumplings. Yep. One piece of potato. Piece of sweet potato, guys. That is it. How much I did? How much? One finger? for you, you know. Potato. Sweet potato. Okay. Okay, guys, so go ahead and some food to eat now, guys. You know it go. Only Str8yaad TV. One Str8yaad TV, guys. Let me after the guys. Looking good. Eat the guys. Mud. Alright, guys, that is it. Take the time out. Don't need it no more. Good. That is it. Okay, guys. So, this is the final touch, guys. Ready to eat. Okay? So, guys, you need to try this one at home. I know you will love it because this is a national dish for Jamaica, guys. So, let's dig in, guys. I'm gonna eat now. Can't wait, guys. Waiting for some ackee and saltfish and some dumpling. Yep. Well hot, you know, guys. Gotta cool it. It just came off the fire. Guys, you taste the boiled plantain that I love so much, guys. Oh, yeah, guys. This is it. This is the nice food. Okay, guys. Yes, guys, this is what I'm talking about, man. This ackee and saltfish hit. It's a hit run, guys. Hit runs. Home hit. You guys need to come and check Str8yaad TV. Link in the description. You can link up, you can cook out, you can do anything you want to do, guys. I cook anything and everything. So stay tuned. One love, one strength. Str8yaad TV. Remember to love, share, comment, subscribe. And when I say love, I mean like. Because love is like, guys. So one love, Str8yaad TV. Up and running. We out, guys. That's it. I'm gonna eat, guys. Can't eat and talk. Ackee and saltfish are nice.